Hey, sir.
Hi there. I'm still having a little issue with that other program. Give me a minute. I think I got to do it again.
Sounds good, sir.
Nope. Okay. It finally went through.
Yippee-ki-yay.
All right. We're all set.
Step up right here to the counter, state your full name for the judge, including your middle.
Justin Ryan Tipton.
All right, sir. The state is alleging one charge against you. That's a theft charge, shoplifting, a misdemeanor violation that you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial on. I scheduled you for an arraignment on December 10th at 9 o'clock. The arraignment is where you'll need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to that charge. Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court proceedings, and all of those options, as well as the penalty range, will be explained to you prior to giving your plea at the next hearing. Your release conditions are obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately if your address changes, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not contact the alleged victim in any manner, and do not go to near the location of the alleged offense. Do you understand those release conditions?
Yes, I do.
Can you comply with them?
Yes.
And you'll show up to court as ordered?
Yes.
Okay, I'll release you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, that'll be all then.
Sir,
I guess.
Your Honor.
Oh, yeah, I got the Maricopa County. All right, sir, so I'm releasing you on the local charge of the shoplifting. There is a Maricopa County Superior Court warrant that has a cash bond of $126. So you'll either be held in custody for them unless you post the $126 cash. They'll be notified to come and get you.
Okay.
Any questions on that?
No.
Okay, that's all I got.
All the officer. Move that counter, step up to it, state your full name for the judge, including your middle.
Decider, John Musburger.
Okay. The state is alleging one charge against you. It's a DUI, misdemeanor violation. On that charge, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for an arraignment on the 3rd of December. The arraignment is where you'll need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to that charge. Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court proceeding. All of those options, as well as the penalty range, will be explained to you at the next hearing prior to you giving your plea. A DUI has the ability to have a jury trial and also has the ability to have a court-appointed attorney if you cannot afford to hire one. I'll be sending a financial questionnaire to you that if you wish to exercise your right to a court-appointed attorney at little or no cost to you, complete that financial statement, and then we'll consider it at the next hearing whether you want to have a court-appointed attorney or not, okay? Your release conditions are as follows. Obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately of any address change. Now, you're returning back to your home state?
I'm trying to today.
Okay. You were just passing through?
I was, yes.
Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is, there's one restriction on here is not to leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court. I'm going to grant you that permission. I just want to make sure that you understand that if you fail to appear at any of your appearances, warrant will be issued for you. Your license will remain suspended, and it'll subsequently suspend your license in other states. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to allow you to appear at your next hearing telephonically. So that court date that I give you of December 3rd, you'll need to be available between the hours of 10 o'clock a.m. and 12:30 p.m. to receive a call from the courts. And then that's where we're going to hold that arraignment telephonically. By then, you have been able to consider whether you want to hire an attorney, whether you want a court-appointed attorney at little or no expense, or proceed without an attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
You're not to, so I'm granting you permission to go to your home state, and I'm granting you permission to arraign telephonically. Regarding those release conditions, can you obey them?
Yes, sir.
And you'll be available on that court date that I told you. You'll get a copy of it, so you'll have it in your possession.
What date is it again?
On December 3rd, I'll get you a copy so you make sure you have it in front of you. And then you'll have to be available between 10 o'clock and 12:30 p.m. to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest.
Yes, sir.
I need you to stand still. Stop dancing around.
Sorry.
Do you understand those release conditions?
Yes.
Okay, and you'll show up to court as ordered telephonically?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll release you on your own recognizance. I'll be sending that financial statement out that if you wish to have a court-appointed attorney to see if you qualify, fill that financial statement out before you leave.
I will.
Okay, that's all I got.
Alright, I don't know if we follow the officer. Step to that time and state your full name for the judge.
Hi there, can you state your name, please?
Lucretia Anadir.
Okay, thank you.